So we've come to Hall Place in Bexley to get some compositions. Within a Mile is such a stupid name. I think Within a Mile was the wrong title to give it. I think I'm going to change it to Close to Home. Although we're not too far from a mile, but I think that was a silly name. Anyway, we're here in Hall Place, which is in Bexley, to look for some compositions. Well, we've seen a kingfisher in the hide. Some guy had a scope and he found a kingfisher. Apparently there's a pair down there, so yeah, it was nice to see, but I haven't got a long enough lens to get close to it, so we'll have to either buy a new lens or just be happy with looking at it through a scope. We've got some bluebells here, and we're going to find a nice composition with just trying to single out maybe a single bluebell. This is the first picture, and although we've sort of got a bluebell there and there's bluebells in the background, the foreground is very confused, so don't like this one at all really. Next one is better. The sort of background is more blurred out, and you can sort of see there were bluebells in the background, so I like this a little bit better. Right, the third one is we have isolated this bluebell, and I quite like it apart from the background. The background looks so confusing. Not good at all. Out here today again looking for bluebells, and we found them. We're in a local wood, and I'm trying to find where we can isolate the bluebells. We're here in a local wood, and we're surrounded by a bluebell. Sort of see all the bluebells around. I'm trying to isolate a single bluebell, and we've gone on to use the macro lens, and we're also going to try a bit of focus bracketing, which may or may not work. I'm shooting some bracketed shots here, so exposure bracketing, and then we're probably going to go and do some focus bracketing as well. So we've gone out next day, and this is much better. We've isolated this bluebell, and everything's blurry in the background, so I like this one a lot better. So this is the setup. We now use an 80mm lens, so to give a better separation, and so this one really does isolate things and blurs out the background really nicely, and that's quite a nice one. So the next one, again, we've blurred out the background really a lot, and I think this is my favourite one, so the second day proved fruitful. Well, thanks for coming to these woods with me for a little bit, and we think got some interesting shots. It's a bit overcast now, but back to me in sunny Hall Place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you've got any queries, let us know. and yeah, I can feel the warmth of the sun. It's quite a pleasant day. We'll see you again next time.